Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the if function in Excel. The if function is important if you want to see or check if a certain condition is met. On my screen, I have a list of fruits and I have their sale quantity and sales status. I want to use the if function to label the sale quantity as either good or not good. So let's dive right in. To start, I'm in cell C4. You type in the equal sign, and remember to start any function in Excel, you type in the equal sign first. You type in equal sign and then if. Once you type in if, a number of options pop up. You want the first one, the if function, so you double click to pick it. For starters, I would advise that you use the function argument box. And here you come to the FX icon and click it. It opens up the function argument box for you. It helps you to know if you're on the right track so you can correct accordingly. So here it is asking us for a logical test. We want to find out if, for example, the sale quantity for mango is more than 65. So our logical test will be that if the sale is more than 65. Good. So here, we click here and we come to cell B4 and click it. So you see that automatically the function argument box picks up cell B4 for you. And then we type if B4 is greater than 65. So right here, you see that it says it is true. So this function argument box is guiding you. So in the next space is asking, if it is true, what do you want me to put in that cell for you? What do you want me to return in that cell for you? If it's true, we want it to type good. We want to put there good if it's true. And if it's false, we want to put there not good. That's it. You okay it, and you have your results. So clearly you see that mango sale of 82 is more than 65, and so the sales status says good. Here we copy that formula for the rest of the fruits by double clicking on the autofill handle, and you have your formula right through. So for African star apple, you have 78. It's of course more than 65, and so it says good. For banana, you have 54 for sale, and that's less than 65, and so it's labeled not good. That's how simple the if function is, and that's how easy it can be used. In other videos, we'll show you how to use the if function to meet multiple conditions. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.